Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Came to show you the Mary Maxim Crochet Club Kit of the month. This one is the one for the month of January. I know, sorry I'm so behind. They delivered it late, so I wasn't able to get it until I was back home in March because I've been really busy. And I was traveling. Anyways, wanted to say hi and welcome to all my returning watchers and subscribers, as well as to my new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. Also, if you are new here and like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also, it's free to subscribe. You can also click the join button if you would like to become a member. And also, hi and welcome to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. And that noise you hear in the background is Jupiter, my doggy, playing, and you hear his nails on the hardwood laminate floor. Anyways, so the Crochet Club month, it's a subscription. You sign up on their website. Currently, what I pay for it is $18.99 with a shipping cost of $5. So it comes out, and then some tax, $1.79 tax, so it comes out to $25.75 is what I paid for it within the US. And this is what we got. So I guess it was a kit to make a purse. They've sent this type of yarn before, which is that Burnett Swedish. I think certain colors of it are being discontinued, so I haven't used this one. I have used the Lion brand Rewind tape, which is similar. It comes in this cool plastic zippy bag. It came with 3 skeins of yarn. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's cute, but not particularly my style. I think I would have maybe made the flower in a cord, you know, in one of the colors the same as the purse, or maybe use a different design. And yeah, he's playing with his toy. So they call it a fold-over bag with flower, and that's January 2026 Crochet Club is what that means. And they said the size is 13 inches by 13 inches. That's how the handle looks. We do a close-up view of the flower, showing the pattern. And then they have a diagram on how you fold the purse to make it. I guess they start with a magic circle. Looks like it has bobble stitches and a bag trim, and doesn't look too complicated. The pages are numbered, so that's nice. It doesn't say what level it is, but yeah, that it comes with 2 balls in the color Driftwood, which is the main color, and Garnet is 1 ball, and then they recommend a crochet hook usage to use the J10 6mm or a G6 4mm or any size to obtain gauge. Oh, that's so cool. I just realized it. This is actually a Tunisian simple stitch. It's a Tunisian pattern. Yay. That's awesome. Except they don't tell you need Tunisian hooks when it tells you the shopping list. So that's quite interesting. And I didn't really catch with the picture. I was wondering if that was Tunisian, but it didn't. It looked more like double crochet stitches to me. It was hard to tell. I think it's because of the yarn. The handle definitely looks like Tunisian. Let me see if the body's Tunisian. Okay, so apparently they just do Tunisian simple stitch. They don't tell you where part for the second half, I guess, of the handle. Because the actual trim of the bag, which I was right, is actually half double crochet stitches. So I stand corrected. The bag is actually crochet. I thought it was. So yeah, and then if you see that, definitely the handle definitely looks like Tunisian simple stitch, and that's a close-up of the handle. Yeah, there we go. Not blurry. Okay, onto the yarn then. What we want to see, what we want to talk about. There's 2 skeins of this and 1 skein of this. It's a little less orangey than in the video. It's per Nat Swedish, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 179 yards per skein. It feels like really hollow empty in the middle. Or 164 meters. They categorize it as a number 5 bulky yarn. They recommend 6mm knitting needles or 6mm US J10 crochet hook. And it's like a tape kind of ribbony sort of yarn, if you would call it yarn. The one from Lion Brand that I used, it tears easily, so I don't know how resistant the bag will be. Care instructions on reverse side. This colorway is garnet. It looks like you can maybe machine wash it but not dry it. I'm not sure with those symbols. And it's made in China, and they say they have free patterns, and they have a pattern for a lattice knit pillow, which requires 2 balls to be made on the label. So that's what they're showing you there. And this is what I just read to you guys. There we go. And this is the other colorway, which is really pretty. It's like white with different brown beige color. And this colorway, it's the same specs, also sort of has like a big hole in the middle that I could put my finger, more than one finger through. And this colorway is called Driftwood. So that's it for this video. Nice, short, and sweet. Thank you so much for watching. And still trying to catch up with everything. Still very busy at work and very busy at home. So, and also very tired and haven't been feeling well. And the earlier week I didn't make videos because I was dealing with a lot of allergies and sinus congestion and stuff. So, thank you so much for watching. And I'll be making a video for, I already got Mary Maxim's February Crochet Kit Club of the Month, and I also got my Mary Maxim quarterly Afghan Kit Club. So I'll be recording those two as soon as I get a chance. Okay, folks, thanks so much for watching. Bye. Take care.